The black and white houses, they're all from that period, Tudor period. Henry VIII used to live here with Anne Boleyn, right here. It's called the Queen's House. Okay? And as you all know, he broke away from the Roman Catholic Church and he formed the church in England.
Yeah, he's the head.
Okay, and then he divorced his first wife and then he married Queen Anne Boleyn. Okay, 2 years later, he accused her of adultery after she gave him his daughter, and she was executed right over here. Okay, today it's a glass table. It looks very sympathetic, but it was probably, as described by Queen Victoria, the saddest spot in Christendom. Okay, so then he married first Catherine of Aragon, who he divorced. Then he married Queen Anne Boleyn, who was executed. Then he married Queen Jane Seymour, who gave him the son but died in childbirth. Then he married Anne of Cleves, who he divorced. Then he married her lady-in-waiting, okay, Queen Catherine Howard. Can you see? 1542. She didn't want to marry the king. She wanted to marry a younger person. But then 2 years later, he accused her of adultery. And she was executed here. Before she lay her head on the scaffold, she said, "I die a Queen of England, but I would rather die the wife of Thomas Culpeper." And then he married for the sixth time, Catherine Parr. And she was the only real mother to the young princesses and prince. Okay? And two of the queens are buried just behind me here. Anne Boleyn, Queen Catherine Howard. Okay?
The two queens.
Yeah, there were actually three. Don't forget Lady Jane Grey, who was Queen.